This case is a fascinating one to analyze. Fascinating because it teaches us a lot of things. We will learn many things from this incident, and fortunately, neither of the two participants were injured, despite what looked like a situation that could have ended with serious or even fatal injuries. Both came out unscathed. We see this young woman, this pilot, who is flying in a thermal in Colombia, where the thermals are broad and wide, and many pilots fly there over flat terrain. She is sharing the thermal with another pilot named Anton, whose video I got from his channel. I'll include the video sources in the description below. They are circling in the thermal, and although it seems from this angle that they are far apart, this 360-degree camera tends to make objects appear more distant than they actually are. So if you can see this size of a paraglider here, it means they are much closer in reality. I believe both pilots are flying quite close. We can also observe that neither of them has visual contact with the other. It's crucial when flying in a thermal and flying close to another pilot that we always keep visual contact. We must constantly be aware of where others are and ensure the other pilot sees us too, to avoid any potential collisions. These two pilots are not watching each other, and at one point, it seems that Anton makes a sharper turn and collides with the filming pilot. They crash, and Anton, the paraglider pilot, reacts correctly by immediately deploying his reserve parachute upon impact with the other pilot's lines. He wastes no time. Remember, there are situations where you need to deploy the reserve instantly, and one of those is when you collide with another paraglider in the air. He deploys his reserve properly using the right technique. He throws the reserve, he doesn't just let it go. Remember, when deploying the reserve parachute, there are two options: throw it or release it, depending on the situation. If you are in a vertical fall or a stall, you need to throw the parachute because if you just let it go, it might not open. On the other hand, if you are in a spin or centrifugal force situation, you should let go of the reserve instead of throwing it, as throwing it could lead to the risk of it getting caught by the glider.